So this question says the number of cows and the number of sheep are in the ratio of 6 to 5. So cows to sheep is 6 to 5. The number of sheep and the number of pigs are in the ratio 2 to 1. So sheep to pigs is 2 to 1. Okay, the total number of cows, sheep and pigs on the farm is 189. How many sheep are there on the farm? It's going to be much easier if we can make all of this into a single ratio. The issue being, at the moment, we've got sheep in both ratios, but we can't join them together because they don't match up. This is 5 parts and this is 2 parts. Whereas if I can make the number underneath the sheep bit the same, I can join the 2 ratios up, because like with this one, if I double both sides, it's also true then to say that for every 10 sheep we have 12 cows. And if I times this one through by, both of these through by 5, that means for every 10 sheep we've got 5 pigs. And the benefit of doing the ratios like this is you can now say for every 10 sheep you've got 12 cows. For every 10 sheep you've got 5 pigs. So I can combine these now and say for every 10 sheep I would have 12 cows and 5 pigs. So you've got it as a single ratio. So the total number of cows, sheep. So the total number of cows, sheep and pigs on the farm is 189. How many sheep are on the farm? So when you're dividing an amount into a ratio like this, you first of all divide it by how many parts there are in total. So if I add all these together, there's 27 parts in the ratio. So if I divide that by 27, that is going to give me, let's just think this through, so 100, 5, 7 gives you 7. Okay, so however you normally do a division, 189 divided by 27 gives you 7. And actually, this is a calculator paper, so you wouldn't have to do that in your head. So that means that one part of the ratio is equal to 7. So if there's 189 animals, we could say that times it through by 7, 84 of them would be cows, 70 of them would be sheep, and if I kind of go through here, 35 of them would be pigs. A good way of checking whether you've got it right is these numbers should add up to what you started off with. These 3 should add up to 189, which they do. So the question says how many sheep are there on the farm? Well, the sheep bit comes out as 70. And that is your final answer.